This is a photo of our family that was taken on March 31st of 2023. And it was just 4 days after that Adam, Nolan, and myself were involved in a pretty serious UTV accident. It was decided that Nolan needed to be life flighted again to Iowa City to the Children's Hospital due to his urology injuries. With the medical team and the specialty that was here, it was the best in the area, and so that was the decision that was made for Nolan to ensure his recovery. At the same time, there also was discussion about his left leg and what the future of that looked like. So during the accident, he sustained pretty serious injuries to his left pelvis, and there wasn't much structure left there to support a limb. He had came back from that surgery, and they had told, again, God provided that 100% of his skin graft had taken. And so now we were on the long road of recovery of just healing the graft site on his back, and then also making sure that the skin graft maintained and was, had its plasticity, got blood flow. And I remember going through PT, and it literally had to train his body how to feed that skin graft with blood supply, and that was just very painful process for Nolan to endure. Our family, we like to show livestock, and so we have adapted on how we do that with Nolan. The first time he showed, he was in a wheelchair, and I pushed him and led the calf at the same time, and he was able to pop up and set her up. And the next time we went to a show, he was on crutches, and I still was leading the calf to all the way this year, where he goes into the ring leading a 1,200-pound animal by himself.
So this is Blackie. We got him down by Albia. I named him Blackie because he was black.
Just to watch him continue to grow and adapt and overcome, and things might look a little different, but he'll be able to, I'm confident that he can do everything that he ever wants to do.